Hello student, it's me Atul Verma, Babu Banasidas University, Lucknow, School of Computer Application. Now, today we are going to discuss about decision support system. Okay. Although many hold the view that decision support system (DSS) are a relatively new phenomenon. The truth is they have been around for a long time. In fact, it could be said that anything in which provide rational, measurable, and scientific data to help leaders make informed decision is a DSS. Okay. Many hold the view that decision support systems are a relatively new things for in corporate worlds, in business world, in every part of life. But it find that we are already using in a entire life, in daily life also, for finding the best solutions. Okay. Five decision support systems. Decision support system examples include manual system, hybrid system, all type of analytics, as well as sophisticated decision support software. A factor that distinguishes newer computer-based system from earlier decision support system is their ability to analyze extremely large data set, provide data driven recommendation that take the guesswork out of decision making. Okay. Uh, the users can define the analyze its opportunity to geographical area. The tool enables retailer, banks, and other business to display trade area and then to analyze demographic attributes. In particular, DSS integers customer information with current in the field of business and corporate demographic and locational data. For example, consumer fact offer information about spending pattern of more than 400 products and services in more than 15 major categories, with regional spending patterns incorporated. Further, it provides 5-year projection that reflect the impact of dynamic economic and demographic conditions such as income, employment, population, and household changes on consumer spending that can be integrated with the corporations. When customer information, this coupling of data and analyzing of report, maps, and graphs allow decision makers to consider questions of customer segmentation and targeting, market and site evolution, business marketing, products, distribution strategy, and merger acquisition and competitive analysis. For example, the DSS facilitate consideration of crucial yet difficult questions such as what impact will an acquisition have on my location? How is the competition impact my business? How can I estimate demanding for my product and service accurately? How can T analyze and define my market potential? How will the addition of new site impact my existing location? Which segment respond positively to my marketing campaigning? There are lots of questions. Actually, business leaders ask from themselves, from their company decision makers, from their team members, okay, to find the best solution to make a growth. Okay, the use of DSS to guide decision making. While while some balk at the idea of trusting complex computer software solution to make decision for them, most are comfortable using computer generated statistics to understand key trends. These include analytics such as sales statistics, warranty rates, and cash flow trends that are important indicators, helping users determine the health of their business and prompting the need for corrective actions. Fine. The ability of TSS provide the opportunity to improve the data collection and analyze process associated with decision making. Taking the logic one step further, the ability of DSS provide the opportunity to prove the quality and responsiveness of decision making, and hence the opportunity to improve the management of corporation. Said differently, the DSS provide decision makers the ability to explore businesses intelligence in an effective and timely fashion. Okay. Executives have turned to the analytics provided by DSS because they need something that will give them the competitive edge over their competitors. Companies are finding that it is increasingly difficult to differentiate themselves based upon the product key, manufacture, or the way they use technology because other companies are doing the same thing. Competitors have access to the same resources and the same technology to use within their own corporation. At the same time, companies are no longer competing with just other in their own city, state, or nation. Global competition for resourcing employees and customer is typical. Okay. Five decision support system. The difficult is that this level of information cannot determine which of several possibilities will maximize returns while achieving the desired result, nor can it anticipate external changes that may impact profitability, an important factor as most companies operate in an uncertain environment governed by consumer sentiment, legal regulation, and intense competition. Additional companies are vulnerable to external influence such as political uncertainty, major weather event, and trade disputes. These factors sometimes combine to create a perfect storm where decision making is hampered by a lack of probabilities as well as by an inability to process data fast enough to support decision. This is why decision support system that can analyze data quickly, determining pattern and evaluating multiple alternatives are proving invaluable to business leaders. The core principle of DSS involved from theoretical work done in the last century at the Carnegie Institute of Technology on the theory of organizational decision making. These work recognize that while human instinct and gut feel often resulted in good decision, there were numerous instances where gut-driven decisions are wrong. Gut decision is not good part of the DSS because gut feeling has no accurate data. Gut feeling, gut feeling decision never based on data. And without data, there is no decision. It is just a by luck decision. If you succeed, it is totally depend on your luck. The between those two in area, they believe will be useful in processing purely structured and underspecified problem. They provide flexible mechanism for retrieving data, flexible mechanism for analyzing data, and tools which help understand the problem, opportunities, and possible solutions. They allow the decision maker to select what they want in both substance and format. For example, an MIS might provide a report of profit by item on a monthly basis, typically in written form. A DSS, on other hand, would store the profit by item for later analysis. The system would allow the decision maker to decide whether said analysis were for individual product, group of related products, products in a particular region, and so on. In addition, it might flash a notice to the manager at the first availability of the data when a product had a profit that was outside its typical range, either high or low. Decision makers can then decide for themselves whether or not the shift represented a need for corrective action for a problem or the possibilities of an opportunity. In this way, it makes it easier to collect information, easier to put it in a form that allows analysis, and easier to have it available to collect information when it is needed. Similarly, the MIS provide no help in generating alternative. If it does provide some sort of model, it provides only the result. Typically, there is no prevention for what if. Analysis determine how sensitive the answer is to the assumptions made. The DSS would typically provide access to these sensitivity analysis. In addition, a DSS might prompt users to consider sensitivity analysis or provide suggestion on how to prove the analysis. Okay. Instead, researchers developed the concept of using executive information system to analyze organizational data and produce consensus executive information to support decision making over time. And as computer capability provides, these approaches was expanded to include the use of sophisticated software that modeled business process, allowing user to evaluate the outcome of various scenarios. In this way, it was possible to access which of several alternatives offered the best business result. The three key elements of thesis include organizational data, relevant information and knowledge, a model, mathematical and statistical formula that represent the business and analyze data, a user interface, dashboards or other interface allowing user to interact with and view result. Common day-to-day decision support system example. Decision support system operate at many levels and there are many examples in common day-to-day uses. For example, GPS route planning determining the fastest and best route between two points by analyzing and comparing multiple possible options. Many GPS systems also include traffic avoidance capabilities that monitor traffic conditions in real time, allowing motorists to avoid conjunctions. Farmers use crop planning tools to determine the best time to plant, fertilize and drip. Medical diagnosis software that allow medical personnel to diagnose illness in other example. Most systems share a common attributes in that decisions are repetitive and based on no data. However, they are not infallible and may make incorrect or irrational decisions, something many early GPS users discovered. Decision support system example that use historical data. Historical data analysis used in every fact faced of business and lives, as well developed and mature. Although such information is not following directly actionable, it is an important part of DSS because it reports past performance and highlights areas that need attention. Some example includes descriptive analytics metrics such as sales result, inventory turnover and revenue growth. Diagnostic analytics, diagnostic information that digs a bit deeper to reveal result and explain reasons for past performance as measured by descriptive analysis. Business intelligence BI, although largely based on historical data, BI solution allow user to develop and run query that are used to guide and support decision making. ERP dashboard, user configurable dashboard that allow managers to monitor a variety of performance indicators. Third one is manual and hybrid decision support system example. Numerous manual techniques exist that support decision making. These include activities such as the SWOT analysis, where teams determine their organization's strength and weakness as well as identifying threats facing the organization and potential opportunities for further growth. The outcome of a SWOT analysis are actionable decisions for moving the organization forward. Other manual tools including decision matrices, Pareto analysis and cost benefit analysis. Hybrid diseases DSS solution include the use of spreadsheet analysis that tap into the capability of Excel to compute analysis, compare option and evaluate what if scenario. Although manual and hybrid DSS solutions are relatively slow and unwinding in the right hands, they are powerful decision support tool and many organizations rely on them. DSS software that help predict future trends. While it's essential to understand what happened in the past and why it happened, this knowledge is of limited use when trying to predict the future, except possibly in very suitable and predictable environment. However, this is hardly ever the cases. Fortunately, technique exists that make it possible to predict with a degree of certainty future trends and changes which will impact the company of business. For example, these tools can predict based on past performance, external data, and market feedback, figure of future product demand, product obsolescence, and return. This is called predictive analytics and form the basis of another type of DSS tools. Ones that help predict what will happen in the near future. Predictive analysis use a combination of data mining, statistical tools, and machine learning algorithm to determine the likelihood of certain event taking places. Banks use this technique to detect fraud. Insurance companies use them to evaluate risk, and ride hailing firm to determine ticket prices based on demand. DSS modeling to support data driven DSS making. The most effective decision support system examples are those that determine the best decision based on certain criteria. Such system remove subjectivity and basis from the decision making process. Additionally, they are able to evaluate numerous alternative scenarios and define the best. The usual approach is to develop a mathematical model of the business, see how it makes decisions, and use optimization software to determine the outcome of the various scenarios. This technique is based on perspective analytics and extremely powerful. While some suggest that it is only the decision making process that should be modeled, developing a full model of the organization, increasing versatility and improve accuracy in terms of financial outcome. There are two optimization approaches: rule based and optimization model. Rule based heuristic model work well when possible rules results can be largely predetermined, such as with assessing insurance risk. On the other hand, optimization models are more adaptable, can handle more complex issues, and deal with multiple constraints and trade-offs. Choosing the right DSS system for your needs. The most appropriate DSS depend upon organizational maturity, complexity, and to a certain extent, size. In small organization, hybrid system mix suffix. If the organization is new to analytics, a historical DSS system would be a good place to start, while those involved in activities such as trading and commodity may benefit more from a predictive decision support system example. Without a doubt, the greatest benefit lies with selecting a prospective analytics derived decision management system that models the business and provide the ability to determine the most ad- advantageous decision based on certain criteria such as revenue and profitability, while entailing a greater investment in resource and manage such a solution. In last, thank you.